Hi, I'm Laura from Graco. I'm going to show you how to assemble the Graco SmartSense soothing bassinet. To start, you will need the bassinet, 4 base legs including one with plugs, 2 side mounts, wall plug, the hardware bag, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Place the bassinet upside down and attach the leg with plugs next to the plug input. Screw in the leg with the screw provided. Once the leg is fastened, plug the wire into the base. Next, attach the remaining 3 legs to the bassinet with the screws provided. Turn the bassinet right side up and remove the mattress pad. Insert the side mounts into the pockets in the fabric. Align with the slots in the bassinet and press down until you hear a snap. Next, insert the top rails into the openings on the side mounts. Once the top rails are attached, pull the fabric flaps over the side mounts and put the mattress pad back into the bassinet. To use the features on your bassinet, plug it in and press the power button to begin. Press the motion button to start the bassinet's rocking motion. There are 3 speed options on your bassinet. Simply press the motion button again to cycle through the speed options. Press and hold to turn off the motions. If your baby likes a bit of vibration, press the vibration selection button to choose a low or high setting. Press and hold to turn off vibration. You can choose from a variety of sounds on your bassinet, including music, soothing sounds, and white noise. Simply press the sound button to turn on the sounds. Press it again to cycle through 5 songs and sounds. Press the white noise button to turn on white noise. Press it again to cycle through 5 options. To increase the volume, press the volume up button. To decrease volume, press the volume down button. To turn off all sound, press and hold the volume down button. To use the SmartSense cry detection feature, ensure the bassinet is powered on and then select the cry detection button. When this feature is enabled, a solid illuminated baby face will appear. When your baby first begins to cry, the baby face light will pulse, then illuminate constantly to indicate the cry is confirmed. Other buttons will light up as the bassinet cycles through different soothing settings. Even if SmartSense detects your baby has stopped crying, the light will remain illuminated while the bassinet is listening for the next cry. If no additional crying is detected for 15 minutes, the soothing motions and sounds will gradually decrease and stop over a 5-minute period, but detection will remain on and in listening mode. Connect the bassinet to your mobile device via Bluetooth to play your own songs and sounds. Just press the Bluetooth button on the bassinet. On your mobile device, go to Bluetooth pairing and ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. Find Graco Bassinet and click on it to pair to your mobile device. You can disconnect from Bluetooth by pressing the soothing sounds or music button on the bassinet or by pressing and holding the Bluetooth button. You can also disconnect from your mobile device. To turn the bassinet off, simply press the power button. It will take a few seconds for the bassinet to return to a neutral position. Now you're ready to use your bassinet.